I have a little update with my roses. As you can see, some of them died, but these 2, 4, 6 are doing well. My bromeliad is growing a new leaf. This plant that I transplanted is doing well. Mexican petunias are happy. The strawberries are forming. I have to see if we actually get some strawberries this year. My fern is coming back. This, I do not know what it is. They were flower seeds that I got from Dollar Tree. As you can see, they're doing well. This is my, well, one of them, my gardenia bush and a vine plant. And that's a vine plant. It's coming back. My roses are blooming. One of them. These are the lily bulbs that I planted. They're growing tall. And my calla lilies are coming back. My hydrangea is blooming. My husband has started a garden bed in the shape of a cross. I like that. Azalea bush is doing well, so is the sago palm. My hydrangea bush is doing well. This is another one that I have in a pot. These, I believe, are calla lilies if you look at the leaves that are coming up. This is a lantana, as you can see from the blooms. This one's actually blooming. Then my 2 ferns are coming back. This is another lantana. It's in bloom. And a third lantana. So I guess my hibiscus must have died. Usually after winter I have to wait and see what happens with my plants. I planted some watermelon seeds there. Oops. There go my salvia bushes. They haven't grown. Well, they grow a little bit. Not a whole lot. Here are some of those food seeds that I transplanted from indoors to outdoors. I apologize I didn't keep up with what was what. Aside from maybe these. Those are like the Roma tomatoes. They're doing pretty good. That's flowers. I'm going to have to wait till they produce to see what it is. That's the asparagus. That's a vine plant I bought some years ago. It blooms flowers that hummingbirds like. And then here go the lemon trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of my gladiolas. The hyacinths are dying back. Here are my amaryllises. The other set bloomed recently, as you can see. And that's my little patio garden.